So finally, we are going to discuss in this session about the line plot and scatter plot. So line graph is ordinary graph that this is used to show information or the sequence of data. How y is varying with x. That is what we are going to see. So whether it is marks versus the number of hours studied or whatever it is. How y is varying with x. So if you have the car data again, and you can create that using plot command. So if you use plot command, plot will show with speed the distance traveled, how it is varying. That information is given by line plot. So there are many options in line plot. These are the arguments. So obviously, the data you will give, then the type, what type of plot you want. You want only line, you will mention type is equal to L. If you want only points, type is equal to P, that is by default. Then if you want both line and plot points, you can use O. And if you want vertical lines, then it is H. And if you want squared boxes for small s or capital S, it is S. So here, this is the car's data. X label car speed, Y label distance, and type is P. So that these are all points P that we have done already, right? Let me try color rather than black and white. So these are the color line plot. Then if you want to use type B, means both line and plot, then we can use this one. So both lines and points, both. Then we can also use another option, type O. What is type O? Type O gives us both lines and this one. Then we have option type S, which will show the square boxes. And here we have vertical lines that also we'll see vertical lines H, type H. This is the vertical lines plot, squared plot. This is about, this is the line plot for it. The second type of plot that we have with these plots is scatter plot. Scatter plot will present the relation between the two variables. The main difference between the line plot and scatter plot is that in the line plot, we can give the lines and we can express how y is varying with x. So x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. But in scatter plot, what we do is we display how those two are related, how they are both are dependent or independent of each other, whether y and x together, how they are journeying, how they are changing.
That is what we are doing. Same again here have options. Type P, we have show points. O, show the values overplotted. L as a line. H, generated to histogram. S is show square waves. So all the other things are same. So here we are plotting x speed versus distance, and we can also give subplot name. So how these are varying, how the data, X and Y data together, is it increasing or is it decreasing? That direction we can have from the scatter plot. So we can also actually, it will have a frame. If you don't want a frame, then we can have frame dot plot as false, so that we can remove the plot and frame. We can give, suppose you want only certain values of x, you can use x limit. Certain values of y, you can use y limit. Of course, there is no concept of y limit here. X limit and y limit these values.
So how the data is varying? This is about the line plot and scatter plot.